Now Wayne is not my detox patient, but he is, I'll step over here a little bit, he is a graduate tonight. He has hit his health goals, he has lost 60 pounds. And tell us how you felt before and why you did the program and how you feel now.
I didn't have any energy before. Of course I was overweight. And we started this, and I feel 30 years younger.
And you look 30 years younger. Did your labs improve too? You have some.
Yeah, I was on Crestor for my cholesterol. I'm off of that.
It's a statin.
And I was on omeprazole for acid reflux, and I don't have any more acid reflux.
Right. And how long were you on the acid reflux medication?
About 5 years.
Yeah, that is.
That now.
Yeah, you just really impair your health, and by being on especially the acid reflux medication, you're not digesting your food, you're not getting your nutrients in, and you're killing your gut bacteria. So the sooner we can get you off that, the better. Let's give him a hand. Good job there. Thank you.